everyone! Welcome to Boost Up Level 3 class. I'm Miss Choi and I'm going to start by taking a roll call first, okay? So when I say your name, yes, you say here and raise your hand, all right? So Aria, good. Chloe, very good, all right. All right, so we are going to continue on with Unit 1 here, okay? But first, we always start with what? Yes, by singing a fun song called Boost Up, right? Okay, so now we are going to sing the Boost Up song together, okay? But this time, I want you to listen and sing very carefully, okay? Because I want you to count how many times you hear the words Boost Up, okay? So as you sing along, listen very carefully and count how many times you hear the words Boost Up. Very good. Let's get it started.
Bear! Everybody get ready now! Get a boost up! Boost up! Up, up! It's time for Boost Up! Up, up!
All right. So, how many times did you hear the words Boost Up? Very good. Oh, wait, did I hear it correctly? Oh, did you say 19? No. Oh, that's right. 21. Very good. Wow, great job. All right, so now we are going to do a review of what we've learned last time. Anybody remember? Ah, yes, we learned about weather. All right, let's look at the window here. How's the weather? Oh, it's bright and sunny today, right? Very good. So let's look at these pictures, okay? And let's look and repeat, okay? I'm gonna play the audio. Please look and repeat. Ready? Set, go.
Number 1.
Sunny, sunny.
Number 2.
Rainy, rainy.
So now I'm going to, okay, we have Tom here and we have, yes. So what I want you to do is I'm going to, let's see, any volunteers to be Tom? Oh, yes, come on up. All right. Okay, so now you're going to be Tom. So what do you have to ask? Okay, so ask the question to the class. Now, class, you gotta look at the picture here and answer. Can you answer? Oh, what is it? How's the weather today? It's rainy. Very, very good. All right, so now we are going to learn some new words, okay, in this unit. And let's look here. Okay, so I have this picture right here. We have a cute girl right here, and she's looking out the window, so she must be, is she inside or outside? Inside, yeah, and she is probably, yes, staying home. So repeat after me, stay home. Very good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to listen and repeat. Okay, you ready?
Number 1.
Stay home, stay home.
Number 2.
Fly a kite, fly a kite.
Okay, so now what I want you to do is listen very carefully and point to the correct picture, okay? You ready?
Play in the park.
Play in the park. Which one is it? That's right. Number 3. Very good. All right. So now you are going to look here. We have a box, blue box here, and behind this box there's a picture, okay? I'm gonna give you some hints And you gotta tell me what it is, okay? Ready? Here's the first hint. Any guesses? Oh, somebody said it. Very good. Yes, play in the park. Yes, very good. So everybody repeat. Play in the park. Very good. All right. So now we are going to play a fun game, okay? It's called Match It Up, okay? So here I have some worksheets for you. Worksheet number 3 here, okay? So, and I'm going to divide you into pairs now, okay? So you two together, yes. All right, and I'm going to give you a worksheet to each of you here, okay? Very good. So, right now, please cut out the cards, okay? Okay, it's this card right here. As you can see, if you cut it out, it'll look like this. And we have 2 stacks here. One in black, one in red, okay? So please cut it out and put them in 2 stacks, okay? Now you can also see there's a blank sheet here, okay? Here you can write, yes, another phrase that you want, okay? All right. So make sure you do it in red and black. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to play this game called Match It Up, okay? So I want you to place the stacks face down, okay? Face down. And you are going to pick, okay? Flip them over one by one, okay? And match it up correctly and say it, okay? And the first person to do it all correctly is the winner, okay? So for example, stay friends, is that right? No, so you quickly find another one, yes. Oh, play in the park, very good. So I continue on playing, okay? So do it as fast as you can, and the first person to do it as quickly as you can is the winner, okay? So you ready? We're gonna play. Ready, set, go. Okay, so now we are going to do grammar. We are going to listen, okay? And say the question and answer here, okay? You ready?
Grammar.
What do you do on a sunny day? I play in the park. We play in the park.
Very good, very good. So now you can see the word sunny here is in red, and we have a box here with, yes, different weather words. We are going to change the weather words and practice, okay? So, what do you do on a rainy day? Okay, repeat after me. What do you do on a rainy day? What do you do on a windy day? What do you do on a cloudy day? What do you do on a stormy day? What do you do on a snowy day? Very good. Now, when I ask you the question, please answer, okay? All right. So now we are going to read this sentence here, this question, and then look at the picture and answer, okay? So let's see. What do you do on a sunny day? Okay, very good. And let's look at the picture. What do you do? Yes, a girl is playing in the park. So you say, very good. I play in the park. Very good. All right. So now we are going to look here and look at the cartoon and listen, okay? But before that, let's look at the characters here. Who do you see? Blob, Sam, and Cube. Very good, very good. All right, so let's look at the pictures here. What are they talking about? Can you guess? Oh, maybe about weather. Well, let's look here. Oh, what kind of day is it? How's the weather? Sunny. Very good. What about here? Is it rainy? Yeah, it's rainy, but it's like stormy. Very good. Yeah. Well, we guessed it's about weather, and they're talking about a sunny and stormy day. Well, let's listen and check if that's correct, okay?
Sam, it's sunny! Nice! What do you do on a sunny day?
All right, so were your guesses correct? Yeah, very good, huh? Okay, so now we are going to listen and repeat line by line, okay?
Sam, it's sunny!
Sam, it's sunny.
Nice!
Nice.
What do you do on a sunny day?
What do you do on a sunny day? Very good. Okay, so all the A's, you are? Yes, Blob. And all the B's, you are? Sam. And all the C's, you are? Cube. Very good. So we start with whom? Blob. So let's get it started.
Sam, it's sunny!
Very good.
Nice! What do you do on a sunny day?
Very good. All right, so now we are going to do, yes, paper puppet activity here, okay? So I have these paper puppets ready for you. And let's see, I'm gonna put you into groups of 3 here, okay? So you 3 together, okay? And you 3 together, okay? All right, and you can decide who you wanna be. All right. Have you decided? Okay, so who's gonna be Cube? Okay, and Blob. Very good. And lastly, Sam. All right. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you memorize the lines. Okay? Memorize the lines. And I'm going to call out each group to come up. Yes, come up to the front. And I'm going to have you act it out with your paper puppets. Okay? All right. You gotta do it with, yes, lots of actions and emotions. Okay, very good, very good. So right now, I'm gonna have you practice. You ready? Set, go. All right, so now it's time for us to do the practice. Okay, first we are going to listen and say, okay?
Practice.
What does she do on a sunny day? She flies a kite.
Okay, so now we are going to practice. But as you can see, yes, the verb form changes. You gotta put the S at the end of each verb here when you use pronouns like she or he. So for example, it's not she fly a kite, but she flies a kite, right? And notice, it's not F-L-Y-S, but for this one, it's very special, right? F-L-I-E-S. Yeah, the spelling changes, okay? All right, so let's make note of these S's here. And let's practice. Let's repeat after me. What does Emily do on a sunny day? She flies a kite. What does she do on a snowy day? She stays home. All right, so now let's look at this picture here, okay? and we're going to ask a question and answer. And as you can see, we have, yes, some hints at the bottom here. Okay, so here we see a girl. What's she doing? Is she inside? No, she's outside. Probably, yes, in a park, right? And how's the weather? Yes, it looks like it's rainy, lots of rain. Okay, so let's look at the question here. What blank Claire do on a blank day? What does Claire do on a rainy day? Very good. And how would you answer? She plays in the park. Very good. So let's ask and answer. I'm going to ask and you're going to answer, okay? What does Claire do on a rainy day? Okay, very good. All right, so now you're going to practice the question and answer part with your partner, okay? So two together, two, two. And now, yes, decide who's going to be. Yes, the questioner. So you ask the question, yeah, and you can answer. Okay? Ready, set, go. Okay, now we are going to switch partners, okay? Yes, so if you ask questions, right now you're going to answer, okay? All right, so let's switch. All right, so now it's time for us to do the chant here, okay? But first, let's look at these pictures here. Oh, how's the weather? Yeah, it's stormy, huh? Well, what do you do on a stormy day? Well, what does she do on a... Yeah, she's staying inside, right? She's staying at home. Stay home, right? Okay, what about the second picture here? How's the weather? It's windy, yes. And the children here what are they doing? They're flying a kite. Very good, very good. All right, so now we are going to listen, okay? Listen and number them in order, okay? Ready?
Chant.
On a windy day, fly kites. We fly kites. 2.
What do you do on a stormy day?
Stay home. I stay home.
Okay, so now let's check the answers together, okay? So what's number 1? Oh, it's already done for us. Yeah, it's the second one. What about 2? Stay home. Very good. And 3? That's right. Rainy day. Playing outside here. And hanging out with friends. Yes. And the last one? Yes. Very good. Okay, so shall we chant together again?
And
1. What do you do on a windy day? Fly kites. We fly kites.
Okay, now we are going to watch and chant together, okay? First time, let's just watch, okay, and chant. And we're gonna chant it again. Second time, we are going to do it with actions, okay? So let's just chant right now.
What do you do on a windy day? Fly kites. We fly kites. 2.
All right, so now we are going to chant it again, but this time we are going to do it with actions, okay? You ready?
fly kites.
Okay, so now we are going to, yes, continue on and do the Be Creative activity here. Okay, so let's turn to page 90. And this time, yes, you're going to create your own story. So here, all the parts, they're all blanks now, okay? So you can, yes, fill it out with your own imagination, okay? Doesn't have to be the same with the book. And we're gonna act it out with your friends, okay? So I'm gonna give you some time right now to fill it out, okay? Ready? Set, go. All right, so now that you're ready, let's use the paper puppets here. Yeah, you have your paper puppets. And yes, let's act out the scene. Okay, so I'm going to, yes, have you be in groups of 3. So use 3 together, and 3 together, yes. And get out your paper puppets. And please practice your, yes, your lines. All right, you ready? Set, go. Okay, so now it's time for us to do the workbook. So please turn to page 8. Here we are going to match and write. So let's look at the picture here. What's she doing? She's staying at home. So you match stay and home together like this. And you can write stay home. Okay, so I'll give you some time right now to do it. And we're gonna check the answers together. Okay, ready? Set, go. All right, so now let's check the answers together. Let's look at the second picture here. Okay, what's she doing? Yes, she's flying a kite. So you match fly a kite, and you can write, yeah, fly a kite. Very good. And the third one? Yes, playing in the park. So play in the park. And the last one is, of course, hang out with your friends. Very good. Very good. Okay, so that's it for today. But do you remember what we've learned today? Yeah, well, I'm going to ask you a question. Let's look out the window. How's the weather? Sunny day. Okay. What do you do on a sunny day? Oh, I heard something. You hang out with your friends. What about you? You play in the park. Oh, wow. Very good. All right. So I hope you can have fun after school today, okay? All right. So great job, everyone, and I'll see you next time.